it's getting close to Christmas, but anyway, I'm wearing my Christmas hat. But today I'm going to be showing you some funny pics I found on the internet. Enjoy. Okay, so the first one would be, well, some of these aren't real, but some are. So this first one is kind of like a rhino animal singing that has wings. Check it out.
I'd say that would count as crazy. What about you?
Okay, so this next one, well, let's just say this cat has a lot to say. And, oh, by the way, that rhino singing that had wings, antlers, and you know what I just showed you. Just for the fact that wasn't real, that was a real picture. But here's a cat that has a lot to say.
Yeah, this cat is a little too mad at someone. But, yes, this is a real picture.
Okay, so this next one is a real picture. It's a water skiing squirrel, and it may not look real, but I did see it on America's Got Talent. So, if you don't believe me, well, look it up.
Yep, that is one water skiing squirrel.
Okay, so this next one is not a real picture, but it is pretty funny, so take a look at this.
If you would think this is a real picture, then no offense, but you'd be kind of dumb.
Okay, last one is my favorite. Well, it's not really a real picture or a fake picture. It's just a cartoon picture, just like cartoon, but here we go, it's my favorite.
Yep, this one's my favorite. It says, "It's ladies who don't love cats that are crazy." And that's true. That is all true.
Well, I hope you had a fun time, because those pictures are pretty much stupid. But anyway.